Hello, hi guys. This is a quick video to showcase you how to resolve this issue if you're trying to rotate something in Blender, but it's rotating wherever you're putting this 3D cursor. So here you can see a lot of people think it's an issue, and sometimes user want this object to remove around this little small dot, this pivot. So how basically we can do this? It's quite easy actually. So on top here you can see, follow my cursor, on top you have this option, and this is a transform a pivot point. So basically this is used to set the pivot point. Currently it's a 3D cursor, so it means wherever you have this 3D cursor, that will be your pivot point. So instead of this, keep it at median point. So in case of median point, whatever is the pivot of this object, that will be the pivot point. So here you can see it's a center. Now if I keep my 3D cursor here and then right click on it and then select this object also and set its origin where is the 3D cursor, here you can see now this is the new pivot point. So if I'll rotate it, it will rotate from this pivot point. The reason for that is quite simple, because on settings we have selected the median point. By doing this, you can also select different options, individual origins, bounding box, center, blah blah blah. So try it out. That's how you solve it. Quite easy, huh?